Good afternoon. I am Mark Bryant, the Public Information Officer for the Mobile County Health Department. I will be providing the update today for the COVID-19 coronavirus. The latest numbers for Alabama through the ADPH, there have been 847 confirmed cases, resulting in 6 deaths. This does not include the incident in Baldwin County that was reported over the weekend. I'll possibly be catching up later with that. Here in Mobile County, we have 43 confirmed cases, and including the 1 death that we already mentioned last Friday. So in the United States, the death toll has passed 2,000 over this weekend, and this is a message from Dr. Eichel. The number of new cases have not dramatically increased in Mobile County since last week. This was likely because of the tabulation of data over the weekend. It is still important to practice social distancing. Gatherings, whether in a home, neighborhood, city park, on a boat, private pier, or even remote Delta Island location, will allow this very dangerous virus to invade your body. This virus is looking for targets of opportunity, and like with violent crime, do not be an easy target. Again, that was from Dr. Eichel, our health officer. For negative tests that have been processed by lab with Mobile County residents, it's been 375, and across the state it's been 6,531. In regards to that, Dr. Eichel wanted to remind any lab out there that there is a state health order required to report negative and positive results. This is very important, just the positive. It helps us get a better grasp on the numbers that are out there. On Saturday, if you missed it, the Alabama Department of Public Health had a response to questions about public gatherings. One was no non-work gatherings of 10 or more people were permitted. No non-work gatherings of less than 10 people are permitted unless a consistent 6-foot distance between persons can be maintained. A specific list of non-essential businesses is included in the health order. You can find that at alabamapublichealth.gov website. Businesses not included on this list are permitted but must take all reasonable steps to avoid gatherings of 10 or more people and to maintain a 6-foot distance between persons. Okay. See, for our WIC department had some changes that started today. This is from Amanda Arnold, who oversees it. Remote phone certification did start today. So all Mchd WIC clinics, which is Women, Infant, and Children's Supplemental Nutrition Program, are allowed to complete appointments over the telephone. We are asking that anyone who has an appointment to please call their clinic number at their scheduled time, and our staff will talk you through the appointment. For downtown at Keeler, that's 690-8829. In Centronell, 866-5940. 8 Mile, 457-4186. The Sims Health Center, 445-0581. Southwest Mobile and Timmons Corner, 602-8451. And the Teen Center WIC location inside of our New Bern Health Center, 690-8942. If you need those phone numbers, they're easy to find if you go to our mchd.org website and click on the WIC. It'll give you those numbers. To expedite the process, all proofs required by WIC certification can be emailed. This is the new address, wicmchd@mchd.org. They asked that the appointments may take 45 to 60 minutes because this is a brand new process. If it's time for a pickup of supplies, please call 694-3942 for phone benefit issuance. And that will be at the Teen Center inside the New Bern Health Center. And for those families who do not have anyone in their household on a clinic-issued formula, they will have their card automatically loaded for 1 month on their issuance dates. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, their field office in Mobile, has reached out to us because they want to let us know about possible crimes that are linked to the COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak. Agents have been seen the start of cyber attacks. COVID-19 is being used in a variety of malicious cyber campaigns, including email spam, business email compromise, malware, ransomware, and malicious domains. The cyber criminals are now threatening targets with exposure to COVID-19 if their demands are not met. Almost 70% of all the threats leveraging the virus were spam messages. The FBI says they're seeing fraud also in the name of COVID-19, and that the U.S. Attorney General has said that his department will fight the fraud and take it seriously. If you've had any case experiences with this, please call the FBI office here in Mobile. That's 251-438-3674. And also, Dr. Asha wanted me to point this out. There's been some issues with the chloroquine phosphate. It's a malaria. It's been used to treat malaria in the past, but it's also to help with aquarium fish for some diseases. And unfortunately, some people have attempted to take the samples of that was intended for fish, and we know of at least one fatality because of this. So, right now, the products, the chloroquine products, so for aquarium use, have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration to determine whether they're safe for humans. So, if you feel like it's important and you want to learn more about that, please go to your primary care physician to try to get that information. Well, that is about it for right now. We do have a few other changes. I forgot for starting today. Our New Bern Health Center has new hours. They're open on Monday and Thursdays from 7:30 to 4:30. They are there for pediatrics to see well babies, which are patients 1 year and old or younger, for their well child checks. And for our Women's Health Center, which is next door, they are conducting OB services on Mondays and Thursdays from 7:30 to 4:30. Now, again, if you have any questions about COVID-19 for the general public, you can call our hotline. It's 410-MCHD, which is 410-6243. And for our family health patients, if you need help with prescription refills, please call 445-8635. And then for any of our patients through Family Health, if you have any other questions about your care, please call 690-8978. We did have a few questions from the media. Unfortunately, I'm running this by myself today, so I can't answer any questions that you're sending in. But one of them had to do with how some of the interstates are being some checkpoints, and asked if we're involved in that. We did confirm that the Mobile County Health Department really doesn't have jurisdiction over that. And we asked that reporter, they would probably need to reach out to the governor's office or the Alabama Department of Transportation for more information on that. And another reporter asked about limitations on like some of the larger stores. Again, some of that information will fall under the health order issued by the governor. We recommended that they contact Montgomery for that. We do know of some stores who have voluntarily reduced the number of people who allowed inside at one time. That's a great way to limit the contact. There's your 6 foot social distancing. That's very important, even standing in line at the checkout counter. So, we encourage on any of the stores if best they can do to keep the crowds from gathering close to each other, because like Dr. Asha said, it's just looking for a target, the virus to spread around. So, don't be out there, be that easy target. So if you do have any questions that you would like answered, go ahead and send them in on our Facebook Live after this segment, and we'll try to see if we can get some of those answered for you tomorrow. Oh, also for tomorrow, because of some scheduling conflicts, our normal 2:30 update will take place at 12:30 p.m. instead. So tomorrow's 12:30 should be back to 2:30 on Wednesday. Well, thank you for listening in, and we'll see you tomorrow.